Okay, so here we are, we walk along this way, and a few weeks ago, several weeks ago, we had a lot of rain, and it's winter now, so here's the wintry growth. Here's the footpath. We walk along the footpath, and whoa, look at this. The tree, or bush, whatever, the scrub has come right out onto the road, blocking the path. So, and here's another one, going right out, and over onto the complex, the condominium. That's it. Let's go take that one step back. Look at that. Okay. So that was it. I needed to show you this one. It's like taking over the whole thing. Spread around.